going to give you a count.
85.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, hold your position, hold your hover. Can you inch up a couple of feet forward?
Roger.
85.
You got the nose, you got the nose. 3.
I'm watching.
Okay, hold your position, hold your hover. Looking good, excellent.
85.
All right, they're getting ready for these stops, getting ready.
Between 85
Okay,
and 90.
prepare for the load, prepare for the load.
Roger, you got the load.
You got the load. You got the load.
Roger.
How's your position? Looking good? You're looking good over here on the right. You're looking, the tail rotor looking great. Okay, they got the trail line. You're looking
95.
good. Package looking good. Package
90.
looking good. Is looking good. If you like, you come to the left. You want to clear yourself a
95.
little bit.
95. 90. 95. Good, Seth.
Now these guys are pulling. Hold on.
Looking good at 90. 95.
Package is by the skid. Package is by the skid.
90.
Hey, by the door.
Looking good at 90.
Roger.
We're 1 minute in the yellow.
Roger.